This is the Abyss, a 36-foot wide, fairly tall prop on wheels. Hard to get it in focus. There we go. Get it up a little higher. Now I'm going to bring it in the center and land it and maybe spin it around because that's the theme of... Yeah, well, you know. This is the fun part. Let's bring it down and we'll zoom it up. Here I am. More design talks about the Abyss. Alright, so let's go down. Just centering and spinning around. Because it's the Abyss. Down a little bit more, we're right into the wind. Do some sachets. See if I can get a fast and intimidating focus shot of being close. Landing right in front of the Abyss. Bingo. So what did we learn here? It works. It's fun to go around the Abyss. Really kind of blustery winds, 12 to 15 knots. Not too hot. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of quadcopter challenges, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, I do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what kind of dark place you're going to see.